Okay, so did anybody think about what the two items in the yes column have in common?
You both have to go to an office for them?
Okay, so our hypothesis is that you have to go to an office. Does anybody have another thought? Anybody else? Just Kiara. What do these two things have in common? You want to try another guess?
Sure. I guess they're both fixing something about you.
Okay, they're fixing something. Okay, I'm going to add a new one to the list, and you have to see if your hypothesis still fits. Okay, so I added driving a school bus, and the no is drinking water. Does anybody have a different hypothesis for some? Do these hypotheses still fit? Yeah.
They're all kind of like jobs.
They're jobs. Okay. Did you have it?
That's what I was
You were going to say jobs, okay. So does this one still work? Going to an office, do you still go to an office if you drive a school bus? Okay, so can we cross that one out? What about fixing something about you? Does driving a school bus fix something about you? No, okay, so let's see. Let me add another one. Okay, so I added delivering the mail is one. No is eating. It does not fit in our category. Do we have any other thoughts?
Actually, I was just going to say that else fits that.
So that one still fits the category?
Mm-hmm.
Do we have any other guesses if you think specifically about these? Okay, let me see if I can add a couple more. We have teaching, and then I'm going to add walking. And does it still fit in our category of jobs?
Yeah.
Is there something that we can be a little bit more specific about just jobs? What kind of jobs? Yeah, Mia. Jobs that are all helping somebody? Okay. So then, you guys got it. What I was trying to do was to go through a couple different categories to see different examples of services. That's the word I want you to learn today, is a service. And that's a job that somebody does for you to satisfy a want, not a need. So can somebody eat for you? No, right? That's a need, not a want, so you have to do it. Can someone walk for you?
No.
Somebody do something for you? Okay. So I want you guys to see if you can come up with anything, any other examples that would go under yes. So can you come up with any jobs that would help someone? No, it's okay. I'm just giving everybody some time to think. Yeah.
A surgeon.
A surgeon. And what does a surgeon do?
It helps people get better.
Helps. And can you do that? Can you do surgery on yourself? Not really, right? So that fits under the category of jobs helping someone. Yes.
A vet.
A vet. And what does a vet do? What's the service that a vet does?
Animal.
Helps your animals, right? And is that something that you really need? Will you die if your animal is sick? No, so it's kind of a want, right? We're talking about how a service is something that meets a want, not a need. Okay, anybody else? Can we get one more example? Any other services? Okay, so where did we start with? We started with thinking that all of these were jobs that did what? that go to an office, okay? And then we added our third one, and what did we figure out? When we added driving a school bus to getting a haircut and fixing a cavity, what did we learn?
Jobs.
Well, we found out were these right? None of these work, right? And so we came up with a new one, and what was that? They were all jobs, and then we added these other ones, and we found specifically not just jobs, but that they do what? Jobs that help somebody meet a want. Now the word I want you to remember for this, for our yes category, these were all services. Okay, can you guys remember that word? And you see scissors, is that a service?
No.
No, that's a thing, right? That's a good. Toothbrush, is that a service? No. Okay, so if you want to turn and wave at the camera, you're all good.